Okay, so given y, you have a function finding the limit at approaches at appropriate points. So point, you have to find out where's the point that they may be happen vertical asymptote and horizontal asymptote. So go for the vertical first. Vertical, you have to define. You have to start with the function y is undefined. Di manakah tempat akan membuatkan function y undefined? Your function y is fraction. Apakah keadaan yang akan membuatkan dia undefined? Bila penyebut dia is equals to 0. So, tempat yang undefined itulah tempat yang akan berlakunya asymptote. Sebab tempat asymptote pun tempat tak ada graf yang melalui, betul? So, function undefined. Function tak wujud di tempat asymptote lah. So, kita kena cari where is your function undefined. Penyebut dia kosong. When you solve this, x0, x equals to 4. So, you have two places here. You might have your asymptote, x0 and x4. Alright, so how we verify it? How we show that ialah dia asymptote? By using calculation of limit. So how to calculate limit x approaches 0 from the left hand side and limit approaches 0 from the right hand side. So another point is limit approaches 4 from the left hand side and limit approaches 4 from the left hand side and right hand side. So what is your expected answer here? If you calculate, then you get your answer infinity. Yes, this x is asymptote. But if you calculate, you get value. Oh no, that one is not yet. So that is happened in our PKA set 3. Set 3, question 5. Alright. So we don't go far, so we come back to here. Just calculate. Calculate means what? Substitute a 0. When you substitute 0, is it IDF? No, this is negative 7. IDF defined is 0 over 0. But if you substitute 0, you get negative 7. That is not IDF. Negative 7 over 0, answer is infinity. A number divide with 0, infinity. But this infinity, there may be side to positive or side to negative. So how we know that is side to positive or negative? We just press your calculator. Let's say this one test 0 from the left hand side. That's the value as 0 left hand side. So negative 0.1. Put in where? Put in this side. Put in the place of the 0. We want to know 0. That one is from left hand side or right hand side. So put in here. Positive, right? Put in into x minus 4 means negative 0.1, negative 0.1 minus 4. So you can get 0 point something something. So your 0, this part, this denominator, your limit is approaches your 0 positively. Conclusion out, negative over positive, negative. So this is how we calculate. Alright, so we can repeat. Repeat for this part. Substitute 0, negative. Substitute 0, yes, 0. Negative 7 over 0, infinity. So what's the value you want to test here? 0 from positive. So we test x equals to 0.1. Substitute where? Is it substitute everything? No, just substitute the part of making 0 here, which is x minus 1, x minus 4 become us to negative 0 point something. So you are approaches the function 0 from negatively. Therefore, negative, negative, positive. Alright. Continue. For value 4. Substitute 4. It will equals to 1. Then substitute for 0. 1 over 0, infinity. That's your value. 4, left hand side, 3.9. Put in here, 3.9, 3.9 minus 4, negative 0 point something, correct? So, 0 negatively. So, the whole fraction, what is coming? Positive over negative, negative. Sekali lagi. 4 kali dah kita buat. Kalau tak pandai lagi, tak tahu lah. Sekali lagi, limit, substitute for 8 minus 7, 1. 4 minus 4, 0. So 1 over 0, infinity. To know the answer infinity is positive or negative, test 4 from the right hand side. 4 from the right hand side, you put 4.1. So at the part of 0 here, denominator 4.1. 4.1 minus 4, you calculate, it will be positive 0 point something, correct? So positive. Positive over positive, positive. And you can see all your result here. Positive infinity, negative infinity means that the value they are doing now here, what's value? X0 and X4, they are vertical asymptotes. Alright, then we go for horizontal asymptote. Horizontal asymptote, just calculate limit negative infinity and limit positive infinity into our function here. So what we do for the limit? Substitute, right? Our first attention when we're doing limit, substitute first. If you substitute and get the answer, then straight away. If you get IDF, then you think how to simplify. So substitute infinity. Infinity times infinity, infinity. So infinity over infinity. IDF means that we need to simplify. Means that we have to do something with this function. What to do with this function? When you have limit infinity, we divide the highest power of the x. We divide the highest power of the x, not x. Make sure you expand this. If you just divide by x, wrong. Because your function, supposedly the highest power after you expand, is x squared. So you want to find your highest power, you must make sure your bracket there all expanded. Then only you can see what is the highest power of x. Alright? So everything divide by x squared. Try to do yourself. Everything divide by x squared. Divide x squared, divide x squared, divide x squared. Then simplify. Here 2 over x. Here negative 7 over x squared over 1 minus 4 over x. So when you substitute your infinity again, 2 over infinity, 0. 0, 7 minus infinity, 7 over infinity, 0. Okay. Over 1 minus 0. So answer 0. So from the form that infinity over infinity, you can't calculate. You doing the right method to simplify your function is supposed to be the answer. So we go for the another part. Limit positive infinity. So same function, right? What we need to do here? Expand first. So looking your highest power is x squared. So we are dividing the same thing. So after we simplify, we can get this. And then we evaluate our limit again. So 0 over 1, still 0. So where is our horizontal asymptote? Our answer here. Your y here, not your x. Your y here, your answer here. Your y here is 0. Y 0 is horizontal asymptote.